Batman. Batman with a baseball bat. Batman. Get it? Oh, dad jokes. They're great. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, 3/4 pose Batman. An arm and a bat. Two bats. So, head up here. We start with, I guess, yeah, frowning, sort of. Everything's in shadow, but it always is with Batman. So we'll just go tick, like a check mark. Like this, right? And then sort of down this way. Kind of like curve around there. Then we have a slender, like superhero typical eye, right? So it goes, we'll do it just like, I might make this a bit dark under here actually. Yeah, I will. It'll exaggerate the eye a bit. So what I mean is I'm just shadowing up all this stuff. We could have like some bags underneath his eye and some extra sort of wrinkles here. So then the other side, so the other sort of frown area, just down from it a bit, up like that. Do some more sort of wrinkles and things across here. Right, and then the other eye is real small. So we go real small in there, right? Do, 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 do. Right, and then we'll go do maybe a few more sort of wrinkles on his nose here. And he's real pointy nose in this one, right? So there's like a line right down the middle, sort of there. And then this is like a V. And then we just have like, you know, the edge of the nose and stuff. Right, so this will just join the side of his face there then. And then we come back in. And then it kind of comes down this way. So like his sort of cheekbone there, and then a real square sort of jaw sort of area. Like so, and a big chin, then up to here. Right. So he seems to be smiling. So that, well, we'll see. We might be grumpy. We might do grumpy bats. So we go mouth there, So the center line for his lip would be there. So yeah, we'll give him a smile maybe. A little sort of cheeky. Cheeky grin. And then his bottom lip is just like drawn in like that, sort of. And then they go with his sort of cheekbones here. Down that way. Maybe some stubble or stuff just on his chin here. Right. Then we can see like a bit of his mask just coming down the face here, a bit of black. Just in here. Right, so very clean sort of line for the back of his head, right? So it's relatively straight. Joins the ear that way. Then it comes back in, down just the head there. And then the head itself. And the other ear just here. Lots of little sort of textures and stuff on his face here. Okay. That's not bad. Looks like Batman. Very straightforward, sort of classic comic book Batman head. So neck muscles, right? So we'll go. So center line, his body's 3/4 as well, right? So his chest. That means his chest isn't like in the middle. It's kind of slightly to the left. So we go like a chest line there. A very big superhero chest, obviously. And then like the top of his chest just going across there. And then he's got cape on, but we'll just draw it in anyway. And then we could just see neck muscles just going in towards the center of the chest. They always do. Okay. So his trapezius quite high up. So it joins like he's very bodybuilder, muscular type. And then his cape. So, well, we'll do the cape maybe over here first. So it's kind of like folding. This is all sort of cape. It comes across the chest. It folds around the shoulder. folds down this way. This is all sort of loose fitting cape lines that way. And then the cape on the other side we can't see. So this arm is like up holding the bat, and you can see like the front side of his chest, so massive chest. This side as well. And then we got abs. And then his shoulder, bicep, and then a bit of his tricep just sticking out that way. I guess we got some oblique muscles and stuff in here. Right, and then the other shoulder. Just here. And then his bicep is all bunched up, so his tricep is down there somewhere, but you can't really, well, maybe put it here. And then forearm. I'll add the bat symbol just before I do the bat. So I'll draw this bat first. Kind of tail here in the middle. It's very straightforward Batman symbol. Classic. And then we just do his arm coming up here. So a few details on it, like those little spikes on his arm, and then he's got like a, there's like a metal, I guess, armor sort of thing. Some like little sort of details like this on it. Something coming across there. Okay, so palm of his hand. Just comes up this way, joins the thumb. That's a gloved thumb. So we can have these kind of little edge lines and stuff. And then, yeah, so like the bat. It's never not funny. The bat comes out here. We got like knuckles. And then each of these would be a finger with little knuckles on the bottom. add finger lines then. With these little sort of edge lines. Okay, so the bat itself, so it goes this way, but it gets wider as it goes, which is kind of a tricky enough thing to draw, right? So it starts to get wider then here. So it's yeah, like curves a bit. Right, so it kind of like bends that way, and this side bends up. And there's like a black little wrapping around here. And then we're going to bring it out. So like there. I think he has this drawn pretty straight actually. Okay. Batman. I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.